Hello, hi there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Nehal, and today I will be teaching you a brand new lesson in Montessori. This is washing of animals using soap solution. This is a great activity for 2.5 to 3 year olds, 4 years olds, all the young kids. They love this activity because this can lead them a great way to understand the concept of cleaning, and it helps them improve their fine motor skills. This is a really fun activity and all the kids love to do it. So come and let's see how it's done. The first thing that you're going to need is a tray. In this I have taken a regular cake pan, can be used. If you have a tray, go ahead and use that. And let's begin this activity. This is a very simple activity in which you just need a napkin or a cloth which can be kept on a clean surface or a table. I have taken this small bottle and I have added a little bit of soap and added water. So this is a soap solution. You can give them a few drops of soap. I have taken few plastic animals over here. You can take wooden animals, you can take a seashell or any object that you want them to introduce. I have a small brush here. You can take a regular old toothbrush as well. Alright, so let's begin. The first step is I'm going to add some drops of soap to all the animals here, and let this activity be a fun time for them, exploring the way soap works, the bubbles are formed, and give them the opportunity to experience the fun of cleaning. Let's get those sides. The whole idea is that your kid should enjoy doing this activity. A little bit of mess here and there is absolutely fine. You don't need to be perfect. So once this is done, either you can give them some water to clean up, or you can use a cloth to just dab them. Our hippopotamus is clean. Our little rabbit is clean too. And our hare, our tortoise is clean as well. So all the animals are clean, and this tray with the remaining solution, either you can ask them to throw it in sink, or you can use this cloth to dry it off. Show them how it is done and they are going to replicate just the way you show them. Trust me, they are going to copy each and every step the way you show them. Okay, so take it easy, take it slow, don't be in a rush, let them have fun, experiment with different kinds of materials. Hope you like this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.